Good morning. Today, I from Mukhlal Sanskrit Upsastri College, Bandhu Chapra, Bhojpur, is going to tell you all about the next rules of subject verb concord. In the previous classes, I think we have discussed about 15 or 16 rules of subject verb concord. Today we will go. Today we will see some more rules like uh, one is that kind of, sort of, type of, take, both, singular, and plural, subject, and verb is used according to subject. Like for example, this kind of work is liked. Okay, now let us focus that this kind here is a singular subject. Okay, we can see that here it is not written like let me give one more example, not too much. These kinds of people are found in train. Okay, so we can see here that this kind here is a singular subject, and here these kinds is used as a plural subject. So according to the rule, the singular subject takes singular verb and the plural subject takes plural verb. Okay, so this is a normal rule, but only the difference is that here the kinds of, yeah, kind of will come, or sort of will come. Okay, now the next, which is uh, we use both singular and plural. Subject after such and verb is used according to subject. Subject. Okay, for example, such people are rare. Okay, such a man get respect. Okay, here you can see that a man, and here you can see people. So people is a plural subject and a man is a singular subject. So a man is a singular subject, so it take a singular verb, and people is a plural subject, so it has taken a plural verb. According to this, that singular and we use both singular and plural subject. Means after such we can use any type of subject, singular and plural, and verb will be according to the subject. Like here in this we can see the example that after such, in both cases we can see that after such, here plural subject is used and here singular subject is used. So the plural subject has taken a plural verb and a singular subject has taken a singular verb. Okay, so now come to the next, that third, many of takes plural subject and plural verb. Always remember that many of will take plural subject, and if it take a plural subject it will definitely take a plural verb, and many of means many mainly used in countable noun, so it is mainly takes plural subject. Okay, and much, if there will be much of, which is the second, which is the next rule, that much of, so it will take uncountable noun. And as we know that when uncountable noun is used, then the verb is singular and singular verb, or we can write the verb is singular. Okay, so let me give the example of both. Many of the students have understood. And much of oil is used. Now let me make you all understand about this. Very simple. Many of. According to this, many of takes to a subject, as I have already told that many of mainly take countable noun, and as we know that students are countable noun, and it has taken the students, which is a countable noun. So it students will be always a plural subject, because here is s. We can see s is there, and when it will take a plural subject, then it will definitely take a plural verb, which means have. Okay. Now in this, here it is about much of. Much of means it always takes mainly uncountable noun, which is oil. We can see here, oil is an uncountable noun, and when it is taken an uncountable noun, which means a singular subject, so it always takes a singular verb, which is. Okay. So these are the 4 rules. Now in the next class we will also see some more. There are also some many, because in subject of Concord it is about 70 rules, but the mains were only 40 about, I think. So I will tell you in the next classes. This much is okay for today class. Have a nice day. Good day.